Hey future doctors, Dr. Mike here, and I'm pumped to team up with Nana Yaboa to bring you this awesome guide on how to become a doctor in India. We know you're driven and passionate about medicine, so let's dive right in. This video is your roadmap to navigate the exciting world of medicine in India. We're talking everything from those crucial high school decisions to becoming a specialized superhero in your chosen field. Get ready to take notes, because we're breaking down each step of the journey, making sure you're prepped and ready for success. Alright, so you're just starting to think about a career in medicine? Awesome! Your journey begins in high school. First things first, make sure you've got biology, chemistry, and physics in your corner. These subjects are the backbone of medicine, so buckle down and ace those classes. But hey, being a doctor isn't just about science. Communication is key. Focus on your English skills too. You'll be interacting with patients and colleagues throughout your career. Oh, and one more thing, entrance exams, they're a big deal in India, so start preparing early. We'll dive deeper into those in just a bit. Okay guys, it's game time. Entrance exams are your ticket to medical school in India. The big one is NEET, the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. It's mandatory for MBBS admission, which is your medical degree. Now, NEET is no walk in the park. It's super competitive, so you gotta bring your A game. But don't worry, we've got your back. We'll be sharing tips and resources to help you ace this exam. Apart from NEET, you might also consider AIIMS or state-level exams. They can open doors to some prestigious institutions. Remember, preparation is key. Start early, study smart, and you'll rock those exams. Congratulations, future doctors! You've aced your entrance exams and secured your spot in medical school. This is a monumental achievement and the first step towards a noble profession. Now, the real journey begins, the MBBS program. It's a path filled with challenges, but also immense growth and learning. Get ready for an intense but incredibly rewarding 5.5 years. You'll be diving into textbooks, attending lectures, and participating in study groups. The first 4.5 years are all about diving deep into the world of medicine. You'll be dissecting cadavers, understanding the intricacies of the human body, and exploring the wonders of medical science. You'll be learning anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, and a whole lot more. Each subject will build on the last, creating a comprehensive understanding of medicine. Think of it as building your medical vocabulary and understanding how the human body works. You'll be memorizing terms, understanding processes, and connecting the dots between different systems. But it's not just about textbooks and lectures. Theoretical knowledge is crucial, but practical experience is equally important. You'll also be spending time in hospitals, observing doctors, and interacting with real patients. This is where you'll see the real-world application of your studies. This hands-on experience is invaluable and will prepare you for the clinical challenges ahead. You'll learn to diagnose, treat, and empathize with patients, honing your skills as a future doctor. Throughout your journey, you'll have mentors guiding you, peers supporting you, and countless opportunities to grow. Embrace every moment, for it will shape you into the doctor you aspire to be. You did it! You've conquered medical school and earned your MBBS degree. Now, it's time to make it official and get registered to practice medicine in India. The Medical Council of India, or your respective state medical council, is responsible for granting you this license. The registration process involves submitting your documents, verifying your credentials, and sometimes even clearing an additional screening exam. But don't worry, it's usually a straightforward process. Once you're registered, you're officially a doctor in the eyes of the law and can start practicing medicine. Exciting times ahead. So you've got your MBBS degree and you're a qualified doctor. Awesome! This is a significant milestone and you should be proud of your hard work and dedication. But remember, this is just the beginning of your medical journey. The learning doesn't stop there. In fact, it's just the beginning. Medicine is a field that constantly evolves, and as a doctor, you must keep up with the latest advancements and knowledge. Most doctors in India choose to specialize in a particular field, like surgery, pediatrics, or cardiology. Specialization allows you to delve deeper into a specific area of medicine, making you an expert in that field. This is where postgraduate specialization comes in, the MD, Mississippi, or DNB programs. These programs offer in-depth training and education in your chosen specialty, preparing you for the challenges and complexities of your field. These programs typically last for 3 years and involve rigorous training in your chosen specialty. You'll gain hands-on experience, learn advanced techniques, and develop a deeper understanding of your field. To get into a PG program, you'll need to clear the NEET PG exam, another competitive hurdle. This exam tests your knowledge and skills, ensuring that only the most qualified candidates are selected for specialization. But trust me, the hard work is worth it. Specializing in a field you're passionate about can be incredibly rewarding, both professionally and personally. Specialization allows you to focus on your passion, develop advanced skills, and provide the best possible care to your patients. You'll be able to make a significant impact in your field and improve the lives of countless individuals. So, embrace the journey, stay dedicated, and continue to strive for excellence in your medical career. For those of you who crave even deeper knowledge and expertise, super specialization is the way to go. This path is not for the faint-hearted, but for those who are truly passionate about mastering their field. DM, Doctor of Medicine, and MCH, Master of Chirurgy programs, are highly specialized courses that take your skills to the next level. These programs are designed to provide in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience in your chosen specialty. Want to be a heart surgeon, a neurologist, or an oncologist? Super specialization is your path. These roles require not just medical knowledge, but also precision, dedication, and a commitment to continuous learning. These programs are incredibly competitive and demanding, requiring another 3 years of intense study and training. The journey is tough, with long hours, rigorous coursework, and high-stress environments, but the end result is worth every effort. You'll need to clear the NEET SS exam to secure your spot. This exam is a gateway to your super specialization journey, testing your knowledge and readiness for advanced medical training. But the rewards are immense. Not only will you gain unparalleled expertise, but you'll also have the opportunity to make significant contributions to medical science and patient care. As a super specialist, you'll be at the forefront of your field, treating complex cases and making a real difference in people's lives. You'll be equipped with the latest knowledge and techniques, enabling you to tackle the most challenging medical conditions and improve patient outcomes. Congratulations, doctors! You've come a long way from high school to super specialization. But here's the thing about medicine. It's constantly evolving. New discoveries, technologies, and treatments are emerging all the time. That's why continuing medical education, CME, is crucial throughout your career. CME involves attending conferences, workshops, and online courses to stay updated on the latest advancements in your field. It's not just about acquiring new knowledge, but also about honing your skills and ensuring you're providing the best possible care to your patients. Remember, medicine is a lifelong learning journey, and embracing CME will make you a better, more informed, and more confident doctor. So there you have it, future doctors. We've covered the entire journey of becoming a doctor in India, from high school to super specialization. It's a challenging path, no doubt, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Remember, dedication, hard work, and a genuine passion for medicine are your keys to success. Now go out there, ace those exams, embrace the challenges, and make us proud. Becoming a doctor in India is a challenging but rewarding journey. Stay dedicated, work hard, and you'll be on your way to a fulfilling career in medicine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.